Alright, so I'm just going to be doing a brief demo on this React Native course that I did, or React Native app that I created, I'm sorry. It was actually a project to Udacity, but I completed all on my own. So the idea behind this project is it's a flashcard app, so you can go ahead and create flashcards, flip them, um, and kind of get the score at the end to see if you're actually making any progress on your studies, I guess. So so you've got basically two basic tab views down here. So we're just gonna have a new deck. Let's call it demo deck. This is all through Expo. This will all work on my regular phone as well. But I kind of like just being able to show things around with the mouse. Alright, so we're going to add this. Cool. There's also a little bit of validation here where if it's, if you don't have anything in there, then it'll give you that little warning message. Also, if the deck, so what do we name that? We named that demo deck. If we go ahead and try to make another deck with the same name, it'll show that error message again. So if we go back to our deck view, we see that we have 0 cards. This is just some dummy data that we have, so let's check this out. If you go to select deck, you go into a new view, you can either start quiz or add card. In the demo deck, you see that we have 0 cards. We want to select that deck. We don't have the option to start the quiz because we don't have any cards there, so we'll start with adding cards. So we go into a new view, we'll do the question. Right, so that's our first question. We'll submit it. So then now we come back to the deck view, and you see that we can go ahead. We have one card, and we can start the quiz. Let's go ahead and add another card just to make this mildly interesting. Alright, so we got 2 cards. And everything all updates because we're also using Redux for this. Also just using some local storage methods. So I'll go ahead and start. Let's try to go ahead and take the quiz. So I'll start. So you'll see up here, this is question 1 of 2. This is the question side. So did you create this on your own? That's what we created in the previous view. You flip it. It says, oh yes, we did. I knew that. Correct. So we're going to say correct. We'll go to the next question. Updates question 2 of 2. Question number 2. Let's go ahead and say that I don't know the answer to question number 2 because it's a really stupid question. So I flip it. I see that, I got the wrong answer. I'll go ahead and click incorrect. And then at the end, you'll see that it tells me how many questions I got right, how many questions I got wrong, and what my score was. I can then from this view go ahead and take it again. Okay, correct. I don't have to flip it, but for your own study purposes, you probably should. So say it's correct. Say, oh, good, I got 100%. I do not have to take this quiz anymore because I have mastered this quiz deck. So I'll go to return home, and we just go to the main screen again. And then obviously we've got some basic CRUD stuff here, so we can go ahead and just remove that. That deck no longer exists. This is the deck we were just at. We can go ahead and just remove this as well, and then we just get a message saying you currently have no decks, you need to create a deck. So to do that, you'll see that that's back there. So I'll be explaining some more of the technical stuff in the post, but thank you for watching.